This is the vision. Yeah. Sanibonani Dumelang. Hello, my name is Malonde and welcome to my channel. So we're gonna do a long slick back hairstyle. I haven't done a slick back since pretty much a year ago, so we're about to see how this is gonna go. What you will need and what I will need: water, H2O, amanzi metsi. Then I will be using this leave-in conditioner by My Natural Hair because I am going to be using the My Natural Hair Edge Styling Gel. So I feel like it's only fair to use a leave-in conditioner from the same brand because usually products from the same brand are formulated to work well together. So I want to give this gel a chance to actually succeed. Now I know it says Edge Gel. I am very aware of that, but I do not have the normal gel because I typically am not the use gel on your hair type of person. I'm only doing this because I'm craving this hairstyle. It's a cloudy day and I have wash day in the next 2 days, so it's the perfect time to use extra products on my hair. Let's do it. Hello fro. The next step is that we're going to spritz my hair with water. Everything begins with hydration, but more so for this hairstyle. And one thing about me, I will be dancing while I do my hair, so I'm just going to spritz my hair with water evenly everywhere. And then after that, you need to massage the water in. If you have low porosity hair like me, this is actually super important to help your hair absorb that water. Then we're going to try find my middle part. If you're doing a side part, search for your side part. This is the vision. Yeah. Now I'm going in with this leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair. I love how creamy this leave-in conditioner is, and I'm going to apply it to the one half of my hair, massage that in properly, and then go in and massage it into the other half of my hair. Next step is to section out the front part of the one half of my hair, and I'm going to tie that away. You'll see me do that as well to the other side. And then I'm going to go in with this brush. This one I got from Pep and I've had it for more than a year now, so really good quality for an affordable price. I'm going to start with the back section, just brushing it down to prepare for the next coming steps. Do the same to the nape part of your hair. Then we're going in with this edge gel. I'm going to take an amount of that much to begin with and put that on the top, then go back in and get more gel and apply it, and I'll just keep applying the gel everywhere including the back, and then we're going to slick it down using the brush. Now that the brushing is done, I'm going to tie that section away with the hair tie just to help to keep it all together, keep it flat, and prevent my hair from shrinking or even puffing up. Then we're going to take down the one side, repeat those steps, apply the gel, and then slick it down with the brush, push it back. I'm going to tie it in with the back section using the same hair tie, and then I will do the same to the other side. What you do to the left here, you must do to the right, so that your hairstyle is even and as symmetric as we can get it to be. No, umabi sasabe. Ubaba wa minami be. So once everything was tied down, I was not pleased. Look at that. What is that? No. So I decided I'm gonna try using wool. But the issue is that I was trying to do it the way I would do an Afro puff, which would not work because I have this middle part. So then I decided, you know what, let me just gather all my hair, and then I'm gonna take the wool and wrap it around like you would do when you're doing ipondo. What's that? A ponytail hairstyle. And so I did that. Needless to say, you'll see that I was not impressed with that either. So at the end of the day, I just went back to the ponytail I had in the first step or the first attempt, and then I really just pulled my hair as much as I could and tried to sleek it down as best as possible. I wanted to stretch my ends, so I just banded that part all the way to the very end of my hair. After another round of brushing, I was just getting tired. So I was like, you know what? Let's just plop on this doek, tie it very tightly. Yeah, and hope for the best. Oh my God. You gon' amaze me. You're the bomb. And I just be setting the stage. So let me get out the way, cause you gon' elicit the praise. I'm adding heat using my hooded dryer at home. This is just to speed up the drying process because I did have somewhere to go on this day. However, if you do have the time, you can just sit with your doek and not use heat at all, but it will take about an hour or so. I took down the hair tie I was using for banding to keep my ends stretched. Now I was done hair drying. That is what the ends look like, but I don't like to keep my ends exposed like that, so I tie them in. Afterwards, it was time to do my edges, and as you saw, I did add in those clips just to hold down the parts of my hair that were still shorter, and just like that, we are done. Tell me that it's not about the way I sing, then you question me for why I'm even questioning, because I know it ain't the power or the might, but the spirit. The soul is gonna know the truth every time I hear it, and I can't command my own name, because that's an interference. It'll take it from a home game. They're trying to sell tickets, and if ain't nobody showing up, it's really what you're fearing, and your heart is in the wrong place. Who is it you're hearing? If you made it to the end of this video, thank you very much. I will catch you in my next one.